another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng pork humba with boiled eggs. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, ikakat na natin itong pork belly. Itong pork belly na bili ko, pre-cut na. Kaya manipis lang siya. Pero mas magaganda kung talagang yung makakapal ang hiwa ng inyong pork belly. Ita-transfer lang natin to sa isang bowl. I-add ko na yung onion. I-add ko rin yung 1/4 cup ng soy sauce. Sama ko na rin yung 1/4 cup ng vinegar. Yung ating 4 to 5 pieces ng garlic. And 1 teaspoon ng peppercorn. Haluin lang natin to. We will leave this to marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, mag-preheat na tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan. Ita-transfer natin yung pork belly. I-render lang natin to hanggang mag-brown. Isa-save nyo lang yung pinag-timplahan or yung pinagbabaran. Let it render hanggang maging light brown on medium heat for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, balik na rin naman natin. At i-continue lang natin mag-render for another 10 minutes on this side. After 10 minutes, pwede na natin i-add yung pinagbabara natin, yung marinade. I-add ko na rin yung 1 cup ng water. Pwede nyong dagdagan 1.5 kung gusto nyo. Add yung 1 cup ng pineapple juice. I-add na rin natin yung 1/4 cup ng brown sugar. At 2 pieces ng star anise. Medyo durog yung star anise ko. At yung ating 1.5 tablespoon ng tause or black beans. Sinama ko na rin yung 2 bay leaves. Then, haluin lang natin ito. Pagka ganitong well mixed na, pwede na natin itong takpan at isi-simmer natin to for 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat. After 30 minutes, check nyo na yung lambot ng inyong pork. Pwede na ito sa akin. And i-add ko na yung 1/4 cup ng dried banana blossoms. At pwede ko na rin isama yung boiled eggs. We will let it simmer for another 10 minutes on low heat. And there you have it, our pork humba with boiled eggs. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.